Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. Now this is going to be a quick tutorial on how to do a French seam. Now in most of my previous videos I've been talking about French seam, how I use French seam, but I want to do this tutorial so that I can refer you guys in my future videos to this video so that you guys can see how to make a French seam. Now it's very easy. Let's get our intro in and just get started. So right here, I'm just going to indicate where my wrong side is so that you guys can know where it is, where I'm sewing on. So now I'm going to place my fabric wrong sides facing each other. You know, when you're sewing normally, you're going to place your right sides facing each other. But this time, since it's a French seam, you're placing it wrong sides facing each other. Then I'm going to sew using a 1/2 inch seam allowance. So I'm going to sew right there using 1/2 inch seam allowance. And then once you're done, this is what it's going to look like. Now can you guys see how it is? It's still rough on the edges, so you're going to trim that edge to about 0.25 inch. So once you've done that, you're now going to place your fabric right sides facing each other. So the right way to sew it, right sides facing, and then you're going to use another 1/2 inch to sew it down right there. Now when you're cutting your fabric, just make sure you leave 1 inch for your French seam. If you know you're using French seam, make sure you leave 1 inch for your sewing allowance. And guys, I am done sewing it, and this is what it looks like. It looks clean on all sides. So the front looks clean, the back looks clean, everything is clean on the inside. Like, it's going to look professional basically. Like, I love this finishing. It's amazing. I use it for most of my projects. It's really amazing, guys. Here are other examples of some of the garments I've used French seam to do, and it's looked really professional and perfect. Even when I get a serger, I'm going to be using my French seam from time to time. And yes guys, that's all I have for this video. I told you guys it was going to be a quick tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe, guys. We're growing on the channel. Please watch other videos. If you'd also like to follow me on Instagram, it's at Lara Savage Creations, everywhere on all platforms. And yes, please don't forget to subscribe once again. And until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon or night, wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.